Electric ferries are starting to change the future of sea travel, and one company making a huge push in that direction is Incat Tasmania. The Australian shipbuilder has just revealed a much closer look at its newest project, and these vessels are set to become some of the biggest electric ferries ever built. The project comes from an order placed by Danish ferry operator Molslinjen, which asked Incat to build 3 fully electric ferries. Together, they're being described as the world's largest electrification project at sea. And even though the ships are still a few years away from entering service, they're already getting a lot of attention across the maritime industry. The ferries were recently showcased during the 2026 Ship Hacks conference in Italy, where Incat released a new video revealing the ships in greater detail for the first time. Along with the updated visuals, the company also shared more information about what these giant electric vessels will actually be capable of once they hit the water. All 3 ferries will operate in Denmark's busy Kattegat region, connecting the routes between Aarhus Odden and Ebeltoft Odden. These are some of Europe's busiest ferry corridors, and each crossing will be able to carry up to 1,500 passengers at a time. The exact number of vehicles hasn't been confirmed yet, but these ferries are clearly being designed for high-capacity transport. From the outside, the ships look sleek and modern, but not overly futuristic. They stretch about 423 feet, or 129 meters, from end to end, giving them a massive presence on the water. The real innovation is hidden underneath that streamlined design. The ferries will run on a fully integrated electric propulsion system developed by Wärtsilä. While the companies haven't revealed the exact battery capacity or motor output yet, we do know the ships will use multiple electric motors connected to water jets. Those water jets will push the ferries to speeds of around 40 knots, which is roughly 46 miles per hour or 74 kilometers per hour. That's incredibly fast for a vessel of this size, especially one powered entirely by electricity. Charging these giants is another impressive part of the project. The ferries will use an automatic charging system developed by Wabtec, capable of delivering 58 megawatts at each end. That setup will allow the ships to recharge in as little as 30 minutes before heading back out for another trip. For something this massive, that turnaround time is surprisingly quick and feels a lot closer to modern EV charging than traditional marine refueling. Once these ferries officially enter service over the next few years, they're expected to become the largest electric ferries operating anywhere in Europe. Beyond the technology itself, the environmental impact could be huge. The 3 vessels together are expected to prevent around 132,000 tons of CO2 emissions every single year, making this one of the most ambitious clean energy shipping projects currently in development.